What's up, you guys? Your boy Anzaldo back here. First of all, I just want to say thank you for supporting the channel. Hope you guys are enjoying the videos. Please give me some feedback. Are you guys hating them? Are you guys liking them? Are you stuck in between? You don't know. It's a little weird. Just let me know. Please give me some feedback. Today, we will be talking about how to make it in the music business. Eight things you must know to win in the music business. Number one, it takes a lot to win. There are so many people out there, every single day putting out music. You're one of them. Competition is really crucial. Number two, in the process of winning, you'll often feel like you've lost. It happens every single day. You're just like, will today be the day? Will this single, put me on? Will this next album drop put me on? Like, what is it gonna be? Like, every day you feel like you're winning, then a few seconds you feel like you've lost. Like, damn. Like, that's just the process. Up and down, the high and the lows. They balance out, but at the end of the day, it could be tough on you. Like, really tough on you. You just gotta be mentally prepared for these kind of things. All right. Number three, it is painful to book a gig, show up, and have nobody in the audience. It sucks when that happens, but hey, it's bound to happen. When you're coming up, not a lot of people know you, but you don't gotta let this stop you. You just gotta keep on going, keep showing up every single day, no matter what the outcome is. Why? Because you have a goal and a dream, and every day that you are working towards that goal is one day less that's gonna take you to achieve it. So always remember that, guys. All right, number five. Oh wait, we're on number four. Number four. It's painful to record an album, release it, and have it go nowhere. This could be an album, this could be a single, any record you put out there. You might be all hype, you might be like, damn, this is the one, this is gonna put us on. Everyone's gonna know our name after this. You put it out there and it doesn't go anywhere. Why? It's just part of the game, it's just about putting as much as you can out there so one of them sticks. Just pretend like you're throwing something at the wall. Throwing it at the wall. Some of them are going to fall, some of them are going to stick, and there's going to be those that really stick. You just got to keep putting content out there, putting music out there, putting videos out there. So keep promoting yourself. Your time will come. Alright guys, so number five. It's painful when your parents, your friends, and family don't believe in your dream. It's going to be tough on them. Why? Because your family and friends, they care about you. They want you to be safe. They don't want you to, get into any danger. This is a path that not a lot of people take. It's tough. It's hard. Therefore, if it's not the social norm to do this, it's not go to school, go get a job, none of that. It's not the typical route. They're going to be a little suspicious about it. They're going to be like, oh, I don't know if you should do that. I don't know if you should do this. Like, just don't let it distract you. Stay focused on your goals, and you will stay focused on your goals. Don't let that distract you from getting out there and working on your craft every single day. All right? It's always going to be like that. It's going to be hard on you when your own mother, your own father, your own brother, your family doesn't believe in you. But it's all right. Don't worry. Keep your mind right. Keep your mind right. Show up every day. Number six. As tough as it is to make it in the business, the cost of giving up and walking away it's tougher. Like, you know what you want to do, you know what you got to do to get there, and quitting is just not an option. I hope not. If you guys are real about yourselves and you feel like you got it in you, you shouldn't quit. Keep on going out there every single day. Keep producing, keep making beats, keep making music, writing songs, keep working every single day on your craft, and your time is around the corner. All right, number seven. The cost of losing is always wondering what could have been. Don't waste your time thinking about what could have been. Just show up tomorrow. If today's a shitty day, show up tomorrow. Show up tomorrow with a better mindset and you'll get a better result. That's all that matters. Come on, show up. All right, guys, number eight. The cost of losing is spending your life watching others from the sidelines. Don't be a spectator. You got to be the one out there putting in the work. Don't be and play. Don't just watch. Don't be a fan. Be the athlete. Beat the guy playing the game. Don't be on the sidelines watching, right? So these were the 8 things you must know to win the music business. I'm going to go over them one more time so they stick, all right? So number 1, it takes a lot to win. Number 2, in the process of winning, you'll have to feel like you've lost. Number 3, it's painful to book a gig, show up, and have nobody in the audience. Number 4, it's painful to record an album, release it, and have it go nowhere. Number 5, it's painful when your parents, friends, and family don't believe in your dream. Number 6, as tough as it is to win, the cost of giving up and walking away is 1,000 times. Number 7, the cost of losing is always wondering what could have been. Number 8, the cost of losing is spending your life watching others from the sideline. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button.